Hey guys, and welcome to today's unboxing, or shall I call it an unbagging. It's all about Christian Louboutin today, and can we take a moment just to appreciate the beautiful packaging on the bag, the beautiful art. I just had to show that. So now let's open up and see what's inside. Let's get into this big bag, and I'm going to show you the shoes first. So we've got 1 and 2. I'm going to just move the big bag out of the way so we can see what I'm doing. So inside we have, so excited about these boots. Voila, 1 pair of Christian Louboutin black, absolutely beautiful boots with the perfection of the red sole, and these with this heel are actually quite super comfortable. Well, I won't say super comfortable, but I'll say comfortable, because we all know Louboutin is absolutely amazing, but you know, fashion can be pain sometimes. Now let's zoom into the zip, where you can see on the zip we have the Louboutin marking there, and I'm going to unzip it for you just to show you how smooth that is. So really smooth, and as usual, the beautiful lining inside. So we'll take out the other one from the bag. Now I'm going to botch the name, but I believe these are the Izamayeah, but I probably got the pronunciation wrong. They're 130mm heel, and it's platform, obviously, as I said, but let's just take time to appreciate all the beautiful detailing. The stitching is perfect. You know, a pair of Louboutins is almost like owning a piece of art, if you will, in my opinion, and just love. Okay, so the final thing in this particular bag is something that will go with the boots. So let's take it out of the Louboutin dust bag. And here, guys, we have the ELISA top handle. And this bag, as you can see, perfectly matches the boots. I'll just bring one of the boots over here. So I'm just going to go in tight just so you can see how it matches perfect, like pretty much perfection with the boots. I'm going to now show you more details of this bag. It's a super pretty one. I always think is awesome with an extra bag strap, so you can wear it like a tote. Let's go in close onto the details of the handle. And we've got the little red Louboutin signature as always. It's a clip-on there. So it's the same all the way. This is where you have adjustability on it. And if I flip it around again, it's the signature red of Louboutin. So let's take you on a 360 tour of the bag. So obviously we have the front, we have the tote handle. This is what the bag looks on the side. This is the back of the bag. This is the other side. I'll take you underneath, and I'll take you, you know, how it looks from on top. We obviously have the 2 loops that will hook into the strap that I just showed you. On the back of the bag, we have 1 pocket. I always love a pocket on the back of the bag to put my mobile in. This pocket has the red lining, which is, you know, signature Louboutin. Okay, now I'm going to open the bag. So it's a simple click like that, and open the bag. Inside, it's obviously still got the papers and stuff in it, but we have a few compartments. Actually, it sort of reminds me of my Matisse in that regard. It's got a lot of good compartments. So we have 1 compartment, we have a zipper compartment, and then we have another compartment here. And then even in here, we have some card holders, all in the signature red of Louboutin. So in a way, this is sort of like a mirror, but you can see the stamp of the Christian Louboutin here. And overall, I think this is just a really, really elegant and well-made bag. So I'll be excited to use it. And yeah, I think it matches my boots perfectly. We're just gonna clip the bag and the handle on quickly, just so you guys can see how it looks. Really simple, even with my super long nails, to clip it on. Now watch me jinx myself, as I can't clip this one on. No, there you go. So here we go. There's the bag with the handle, and yeah, so 2 ways to wear it. And then this is what it looks like when you attach the strap to the bag. So yeah, it just gives you 2 ways to wear this bag, which is super handy in my humble opinion. All right, and then here's just one last look at all the stitching. It's impeccable. All of the details on this bag. So I hope you've enjoyed today's Christian Louboutin unboxing, or as I'm now calling it, an unbagging. If you have any questions about any of these pieces, just leave them in the comments below, and head on over to my Instagram at Donna Hearts Beauty to see how I will style and wear these boots and bags. Thanks guys for watching the video, and have a great day.